puzzle? Turquoise.
4.
Okay, there's 4. 4 what?
For each turtle.
So up top, up here, I have 4 blocks.
Yeah.
And I have 2 turtles. What do you think we're going to do with these 2
Put
turtles?
2 on each one.
Why?
Because,
Why am I going to give them 2 each? Ruby, can you help them out?
Because 4 divided by 2 is 2.
So, what's another way we can say that, Damon? If we give each turtle 2 blocks, what are we doing?
You're dividing the 4 into 2 equal groups.
2 equal groups.
Those are 2 turtles, so you'll be dividing into 2 equal groups.
So let's try giving each turtle 2 blocks and see what Gigi does. Gigi freezes. There we go. Gigi freezes halfway through. Okay, so now what? I have 2 blocks up top, and I have 2 snails. Miguel?
You need to put 1 on each snail because 1 plus 1 equals 2.
Thank you for telling me why, too. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Or we can give them each equal shares, which would be 1 block for each one. Claire, how many tiles do I have up top? How many blocks? 9. And how many frogs? 3. What do you think we're going to give each frog, Tessa? 3? Why 3?
Because 3 plus 3 is 6.
Let's see what happens if we do 4.
No!
Oh. No? What happens?
Because
You used too many.
I used too many. They weren't equal. If I do only 1.
No.
No.
They're never going to restart. No, we have to restart.
We do have to restart. That's okay.
Because 3 plus 3 equals 6, and 6 plus 3 equals 7.
No, we're doing 3. Sorry. We're doing 3.
Teacher just gets to
It's called free play. So, this is a lower view. We have how many tiles?
4.
Okay, and how many snails?
2.
Each snail is going to get
2 boxes.
2. So they're going to be equal groups. What about the pigs?
1.
One.
Because if you divide 2 into 2 equal groups, then it's 1.
2
2 pigs.
divided by 2 equal groups is 1.
No.
Oh, sorry.
1 divided group.
That was my bad. There we go. Charlotte, how many tiles do I have up there?
9.
And how many turtles?
3.
So how many is each turtle going to get?
3 because if you split 9 into equal groups, it's 3.
Yeah, so this turtle's going to get 3, this turtle's going to get 3, and this turtle's going to get 3. So you can almost count up. 3, 6, 9.
This is not fun.
Now how many do we have up here?
6.
And how many frogs?
3.
Jamil. How many is each frog going to get, Jamil?
What?
Jamil, how many blocks is each one frog going to get?
2
Why?
because 2 times 2 times 4 equals 6.
Where'd you get 4?
2 is 3. That's 8.
and
2 times 3
Is what?
is 6.
And we have 6 blocks up there
Yes.
and 3 frogs, so each one's going to get 2. Or you could say 6 divided by 3 is 2. What about now?
Or 5
pigs.
So there's going to be 1 for each.
1 for each pig.
1 for
One
each
for each
pig.
pig. Yeah, 1 for each.
Because I have 5 tiles and
there's
5 pigs.
Each one has to be 1 block.
I didn't know it's tiles.
Or tiles or blocks or squares.
It's called like tiles. 1, 2,
How many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
5.
Thank you, Kevin.
5 divided by 5.
Now silently count. Count in your head. And raise your hand when you count how many blocks we have. Michael?
15.
15. And how many frogs? Miguel? So how many is each one going to get if we have 15 blocks and 3 frogs?
4.
You want to try 4?
No.
Do you agree?
Five.
15. Hold on, Miguel's talking. Do you agree, Miguel, or do you think we should still try 4?
I think I agree with Ruby.
You think you agree with Ruby? Let's try it out.
Yes.
Once again, silently count.
20.
20. And how many snails do I have?
5.
5.
5
each one.
4 in each one.
No, 2. Because if you do 4.
Hold on. Jamia, why do you say 2? Jamia, why do you say 2?
I missed the
You messed up? What do you think it's going to be now?
4.
4. Because I have 20 blocks and 5 snails.
And 5 times
You could do 16 plus 16 and then plus 4.
Or 16 plus 16,
equals 32.
which is 32. But if you don't divide by
16
4.
plus 16. I mean, no, 16
Plus 16 plus 4.
Isn't that what it was going?
Let's do this one. We're going to go down.
Easier, but kind of the same.
So how many do we have?
14.
14. And Zachary, if I have 14 tiles up there and I have 2 frogs, only Zachary, how many am I going to have?
Those are pigs.
In each one. Pigs. What did I say? Frogs?
Yeah.
Pigs. So I have 14 blocks, and I have 2 pigs to give them to. I'm going to give them equal shares to each pig. 7. Let's try 7.
I use my eyes.
Damon, do you agree with them?
Yeah.
Yes.
Let's say Gigi does too.
And 7 times 12.
12. Did you? They both get 6.
6 times. I mean, 6 times 2. Give him 33%.
Oh, that's 20.
That's 4. 5 times 20.
10 and
20. That 5 times 4 is 20, but let's hold on. Jamil, we have 20 tiles and we have 2 turtles.
So we could do 10.
Hold on.
10 times for each.
Give him some thinking time, guys. So we have 20 tiles and 2 turtles. And we're going to give them each equal groups. 10. Why do you say 10?
Because 10 times 10, I'm not on there. Because I see 10 piles up there and another 10 set piles that equals 20.
Natalie. So we have 2 equal groups of 10.
That's 18.
18.
9.
9 on each one.
No, 18. That's 18.
Is it 18 or 19?
18.
So how many they're going to get?
9 on each one.
Can you stand on it?
9.
Or
Let's
there's
do
some
the-
2 because there's
All right.
16.
Let's count together because I'm hearing some 17s and 16s. Hold on. 1, 2, 3. Thank you, Ruby. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So there are 16 tiles. 14, 15, 16, 17. So there's 16 and 2 snails. Where am I putting this?
8 on each one.
Because 8 is 16. So
Okay.
16 divided by 2.
Okay, so Ruby, can you try going up there and moving it down to the 8 for me? See if that works.
It does. No, I think you have to click the note.
No, it worked. Thank you, Ruby. Miguel, can you come up there? Hold on. Shh. Let's give Miguel some thinking time. We're going to have Miguel solve this one. Count it out loud and explain your thinking as you're solving it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
You have 10 blocks and...
2 blocks.
Oh,
He didn't click it. He was dragging it up because it was like. What?
all right.
How did that? That thing doesn't even work. You can't do it.
It's touchy. That's okay. But we knew he had the right answer.
So we can just skip that one because that was on 86%. It would have finished.
Yeah, that's
It's
fine.
a dumb boy.
So, that was doing equal shares and fair sharing. So we take one whole, like our blocks, and we can divide them up into different numbers. Okay?
Can we do the next one? Next thingy.
The next one. How do you go to the next one?
What's that back arrow?
Back here?
Yeah, probably back arrow. And then you can go.
look at the test.
You can
I'm actually going to do something different.
The test.
I will wait until it's quiet
The shoe.
because I have something else Okay.
The first one's fun.
Damon, thank you. So, I actually have a problem here. And I'm going to read it out loud and then I'm going to put it up. But I want you to, while I'm reading it out loud, I want you to start thinking about what we're going to do. Okay? Mrs. Niola wants to share her 5 lemon bars with her 2 friends. It is important to her that she shares the lemon bars so there's no leftovers. How many lemon bars will each friend receive? Okay, we're going to work in pairs. I'm going to pull popsicle sticks. You guys work in pairs to work on this. Now let's look at the problem again and think about it. I was like, how do I switch it? There we go. They're trying to show me this one right here. And then does this thing get turned on? Oh. There we go. Okay, so we're going to look at it one more time. Because I read it, but while we were thinking about it, Mrs. Niola wants to share her 5 lemon bars with her 2 friends. It's important that she shares the bars so there's no leftovers left. Just think about it. Hold on. It's easy. Just think about it. Alright? So if you used more than one set of numbers, we're going to worry about that in a minute. But how many, I want you guys to show your thinking. We're going to be in pairs. I want you to show your thinking of how each friend will receive the lemon bar.
Does it have to be an equal amount?
Does it say equal amount?
No, but you can.
Can you do an equal amount? Oh, if you think you can do an equal amount. If you think you can do an equal amount, then I want you to show me your thinking. Alright. Ruby and Jaquez are going to be in a group. Or partners, yeah. Zaria and Alexandria. Antonio and Tessa.
Wait, hold on before you move.
Don't move yet. Wait until everyone has a group. Miss Nyla's putting rounds of the problem. Gonna put them around the room. So you're waiting until you have a partner. Charlotte and Miguel. Natalie and Bijou. Sorry to sit down. Wait. Kieran and Eliza. Damon and Claire.
Wait, Natalie and who?
And then Kevin and Zachary are going to be in a group, or partners. And then Jamil, Zachariah, and Michael, you're going to come sit in the back desk with me and work this out. So we're going to be like a big group of 4. So everyone stand up and sit next, go next to your partner. Then go get a pencil and you go. Or if you can, around the room, like at the library table, you'll